Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jimmy here. I'm at the Hair Hustlers Academy, where you're located inside of Unique Creations Wellness Spa Salon, 303 Jonesboro Road, Mcdonough, Georgia. What I'm going to do right now is going to take you down, give you a little tour of what we got going on. We've got some graduating students out here performing styles. We've also got some new stylists that are here to showcase some of the styles off our menu. So if you take a moment, walk down, we'll get you right to the action. Hey guys, so we're in here in the Hair Hustlers Braid Bar where the magic happens. We have a few stylists going on right now. So on our back half, you'll see some of our graduating classes from former Hair Hustlers Academy, whether it's bitty braiders or salon prep classes. We also have some new stylists here looking to get some skills solidified and demoed out. But we want you guys to come on down, take some bookings with us. Make sure that you get some of our newest specials out there. So we want to take a closer look at what they got going on. All right, we're here with Courtney, one of our graduates from our Hair Hustlers Academy program. Been with us for a while, and she's styling Chloe at Join Club Chloe on Instagram. So you want to tell us a little bit about yourself, how old you are, and what you've learned thus far with the program.
Okay, so my name is Courtney, of course. I'm 17. I graduated the Hair Hustlers Academy like I think 2 years ago. So during the program, I basically learned how to braid, sewing, quickly. It's a really fun program and you're gonna learn a lot.
Awesome. So you guys make sure you get with us. Chloe, you almost ready to be styled? What is our mission and our goal? Our mission is to provide as much quality skills and career building educations as we can within this community. We would love to partner with PTAs as we have, high schools and career centers as we have. Also more churches and nonprofit organizations. You can always find out about our partnerships at TraceStyles.com. If you go to the taskbar on the side, scroll down to our beauty schools, you'll see La Virtue, which is our cosmetology licensing school. And then you'll see Hair Hustlers Academy underneath. Go there, hit that tab, and find out a little bit more about our partnerships. We want to be able to affect as many youthful lives as we can. So here we have the awesome and amazing Nyla.
Hey.
Another graduate of our Hair Hustlers program. So you want to tell them a little bit about yourself?
Okay, I'm Nyla. I'm 14. I graduated Hair Hustlers in around 2021, I think. And it's a really good program. It taught me how to do knotless, how to do stitch, how to do a sew-in quickly. It's very fun and interactive. You should join.
Oh. And here we have the famous 18,000 views per reel. Owe me money. You ready to get styled all the way? Mm-hmm. We got a special treat. We're with co-founder, co-owner, definitely the genius of the program, Miss Latravia Trey Styles Crop. Right. Hello. And a young woman who was actually taking cosmetology classes at Jonesboro High School.
I'm Amaya.
Amaya, right? Go get your name in there. She definitely, we found her there. She had great skills, said she wanted to be a part of the program, came, took some classes, graduated, and is now working with us. So you want to tell them a little bit about yourself?
I'm Amaya. I'm 16. I graduated here at Festival Academy about 2 weeks ago. I learned how to cornrow, crochet, do a sew-in, and it was really fun. It's a great opportunity to me. I enjoyed it.
Awesome. And right here we got Kay Drizzy.
Hey y'all.
She don't got the backup dancers with her, but she usually got the backup dancers, entourage, tour bus. She be rolling. You ready to get styled all the way?
Ready.
Is the Hair Hustlers Academy. The Hair Hustlers Academy is a career skills building and job placement program that teaches young men and women between the ages of 8 and 12 how to braid. We teach the 8 to 12 bitty braiders how to do knotless, individual cornrows and crochet. Those who are 13 to 18, we place them inside of our skills building and job placement program where they learn how to braid, do sew-ins, wig installs, and lace closures. Those who show a tremendous amount of talent, we actually bring them back into the salon, help them to attain bookings, do braid downs, take downs, so that they can earn extra income and be a help to themselves.
Hey guys, I'm Latravia from Hair Hustlers Academy. I'm the owner of Hair Hustlers Academy, and I'm here today with these lovely ladies at the Braid Bar. Come check us out, get styled, see what it's about.
Miss Virginia and Miss Nala. What our program is pretty much a mixture or a hybrid of veteran braiders and those who have, done some services for a while. They kind of take on a mentorship role here. They still take bookings. They still do great work. We still need you to come and get down, get with Miss Virginia. She will put whatever you need in your head, and she can tell you a little bit about herself.
Virginia, I'm 27. I actually moved from PA, so I'm getting my clientele.
Okay. All right, now you guys are getting the exclusive, the good stuff. I got Amaria here, and I got the dope dancer Maya. You know what I'm saying? You already know who that is. And you got a show today too, right? Yeah, so she's getting styled right before a show. She's with the Universal Circus. She's one of the circus dancing clowns. She's in there every time they get on stage. She's right there with them from New York, Detroit, LA. She had to come back and get styled by Miss Amaria, though. You want to tell them a little bit about yourself?
Yes. Hey, my name is Armaria. I'm 19 years old. I've been braiding for 6 years since I was 13. And I'm looking forward to being a part of the braid bar.
Awesome. Tons of skills. Put some stitch braids in there right now. I know those are high and trendy fashion styles now. So come on down. Catch a booking with Miss Armaria, right?
Yep.
And then and make sure you go out there and check the Universal Circus too. They support us a lot, right? All right. So Maya, you good? You ready to get started? So here I'm going to give you guys a little bit of explanation about why it is you see a large wig store inside of our salon. So the Naked Wig Store is a part of what we do here. We help to provide not only our alopecia clients, but some of our other clients as well with wigs that they can use to pay in for. You can come, get the wig, get styled, get it installed, and you can pay in for. So let's step inside and see some of the products that we have. So here we are inside of our wig and bundle store, also called the Naked Hair Store, located here at the Unique Creations Wellness Spa and Salon, 303 Jonesboro Road in Mcdonough, also home of the Hair Hustlers Academy. So in this wig store, our clients and personnel have the opportunity to purchase wigs right here inside. They can pay in full, as I always like to tell them. And it's another beneficial part of our program because our students who are actually here learning and earning, they have an opportunity to become affiliate marketers with our program. So they have the opportunity to sell wigs, bundles, and some of these great hair care products that you'll see back here. They can be able to sell those online and they receive commissions for that as well. So just another amazing part of our program where we teach them, hey, if you learn the skill and you learn how these wigs work and how they are textured and how you can install them, then your earning potentials are exponential. You can do what it is that you want to do. And that's what we want to do. And instill some sense of self-sufficiency and entrepreneurship inside of. Hey, it's Jimmy again, back with the Hair Hustlers Academy. A lot of what we're doing and a lot of our success is based on the partnerships that we have and keep. We've been lucky enough to partner with an amazing trichologist here, Monique Daring, at her Unique Creative Wellness Spa and Salon in Jonesboro. And she take a moment and just tell you a little bit about yourself and who you are.
All right. I'm Monique Daring. I am a certified practitioner and trichologist, and I am the owner of Unique Creations Wellness Spa Salon and Salon.
Right. We got a bunch of stuff going on.
I am here in Mcdonough, and we have a full service salon. We specialize in hair loss. This is our hair loss clinic. We also have our salon floor, but also nails, brows, lashes, and hair store here on the facility too.
All right. And with our braiding program, she's able to, or allowed us to open up the braid bar here and allow students an opportunity to not only learn, but to earn with those skills. So definitely partnerships work great for us. And we both feel like this is going to be something that teens, preteens, and young adults could take advantage of as well.
Absolutely.
All right. So thank
Great
you very
opportunity.
much.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
All right. Have a good one.